Are you one of the millions of people worldwide who suffer from hypertension? If so, you know the importance of managing your blood pressure to prevent long-term health consequences. While chemical medications can be effective, they also come with potential side effects. That's why researchers are turning to herbal medicine as an alternative treatment. And one herb that's showing promising results is sour tea, also known as Hibiscus Sabdariffa. In a recent clinical trial, researchers evaluated the antihypertensive effect of sour tea on stage 1 hypertension. The study included 46 patients who were diagnosed with stage 1 hypertension by a cardiologist, and were divided into two groups. The control and case groups received the same lifestyle and dietary advice for controlling blood pressure, but the case group also received 2 standard cups of sour tea every morning for 1 month. The results were significant. Both groups saw a reduction in systolic blood pressure, but the mean reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure was significantly higher in the case group. In fact, the mean reduction in systolic blood pressure in the intervention group was -7.43 mm of mercury, compared to -1.91 mm of mercury in the control group. And the mean reduction in diastolic blood pressure was -6.70 mm of mercury in the intervention group, compared to -3.96 mm of mercury in the control group. These results suggest that using sour tea twice a day can be effective in managing blood pressure in stage 1 hypertension along with lifestyle and dietary modifications. But the benefits of sour tea don't stop there. This herb has been studied in different clinical and experimental studies and has been found to have various therapeutic effects, such as antioxidative, nephro, and hepatoprotective, and anticholesterol properties. Additionally, it has been shown to cause nitric oxide release from vascular endothelium, which leads to increased kidney filtration and clears its diuretic effect on blood pressure. In other words, sour tea has the potential to improve lipid profile and prevent atherosclerotic processes. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and long-term effects of sour tea, the results are promising. And for those who prefer a natural approach to managing their blood pressure, adding sour tea to their diet, along with lifestyle modifications, could be an effective strategy. So why not give it a try? Your heart and overall health will thank you. And with positive beliefs and experiences of herbal medicine among people, it's worth exploring alternative treatments like sour tea for hypertension management. If you enjoyed this video, you'll be sure to enjoy this one. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you get notified when I release a new video. Be sure to check out some of the recipes on my channel as well.